the Lima Allen County Chamber of Commerce is proud to be here on Market Street in Lima to celebrate 10 years of SAFY in the Drop-In Center. And on the count of three, Regina and I are going to cut the ribbon. Regina, are you ready? All right. 1, 2. Congrats, everybody. And now we're going to hear from Michelle all about the great things that you can expect from SAFY.
So the SAFY Youth Drop-In Center has been here for 10 years now. We provide a safe space for youth ages 12 to 17. Everything is free. We provide a lot of basic needs as far as meals and anything else that they might need. Just let us know and we can assist them. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7. Kids can just drop in, parents can bring them in, and this wonderful staff will give a tour and get them all set up.
And they're having an open house today from 11 to 1, so stop down and don't miss out a chance to see what they're doing in firsthand. And so thanks again to SAFY for all that they do. And if you're not a Lima Allen County Chamber member, give us a call today and consider joining us. Give us a call at 419-222-6045. So thanks, and once again, congratulations to SAFY.